Yesterday was not a good day in terms of trying to get new customers or commercial accounts, but today was that's how you bounce back. You just gotta keep going. If you're a fighter, you're gonna get punched in the face. You can't be afraid to get punched in the face. I'm not. So I hope you guys all hit your goals this upcoming year, wherever it is that God takes you. I hope you guys are all successful. It's very crazy that 2025 is already over. I've been through a lot, so I'm grateful. Grateful for health, for salvation, for my wife, for my kids, for my family. Just grateful for this opportunity. All my last 4 years away from the trades has sharpened me and prepared me for the road ahead. So, God bless.